Good morning, everyone. I'm your tutor for today's video. I'm Shalyka Garilao, a BS Ed major in mathematics student, third year. So our lesson for today was all about the calculus under the indefinite integral, but we're focusing on integration by parts. So what is integration by parts? Integration by parts is a special method of integration that is often useful when two functions are multiplied together, but is also helpful in other ways. So you will see plenty of examples later, but now let us see the rule. So here's the rule for integration by parts. The integral of u dv equals to uv minus the integral of v du. So to clearly understand, we have an illustration here. So this read as the integral of uv dx equals to the integral of v dx minus the integral of u prime times the integral of v dx, where u is the function of u of x, v is the function of v of x, and u prime is the derivative of the function of u of x. So this diagram shows the rule. So let's have first our first example. Our first example is the integral of x e raised to x dx. So step 1, we should choose a u and v differently. Our u is x, our v is e raised to x. Step 2, differentiate u and integrate v. So the derivatives of x is 1 dx, and the integral of e raised to x dx is e raised to x dx. So step 3 is we should put it together in the diagram. So we have here the x e raised to x minus the integral of 1 times e raised to x dx. So next is step 4 is to simplify. We have x e raised to x minus e raised to x plus c. That is our final answer. So note, the rule is integral of u dv equals to uv minus v du. Example number 2, we have the integral of x cosine of x dx. So step 1, choose u and v differently. So our u is the x and our v is the cosine of x. And step 2, differentiate u and integrate v. So the derivative of x is equals to 1, and the derivative of cosine of x is sine of x. Always remember the trigonometric identities. Step 3, put it together into the diagram. So we have x sine of x minus the integral of 1 times sine of x dx. So simplify, we have the x sine of x plus cosine of x plus c. So note that always remember the trigonometric identities when we're integrating a trigonometric function. So that's all for today. Reminders, our steps. Step 1, choose u and v differently. Step 2, differentiate u and integrate v. Step 3, put u prime, and the integral of v dx into the uv minus the integral of v du. And step 4, simplify and solve. So about choosing u and a v story. So choose a u that gets simpler when you differentiate it, and a v that doesn't get any more complicated when you integrate it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!